Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the common disease, that is bronchial asthma or asthma. The problem we face with this disease is by the time the patient comes to homeopathic doctor, he is already decided that this disease has no permanent cure. He has to suffer with the symptoms of the disease as well as the side effects caused by allopathic treatment. Most of the allopathic doctors say there is no permanent cure for this disease. They have to take medicines for lifelong. These include antibiotics, antihistamines, and steroids. These have a lot of side effects. Even with those side effects, patient has already decided that there is no permanent cure, and apart from the symptoms of the disease, he is also enduring the symptoms of the medicines as well. They have already decided that. They think that this disease has no permanent cure and no permanent solution. The next problem we see is, so because of this symptoms of asthma, though this affects different age group, children are mostly affected by this. So what exactly happens in kids is, because of this disease, they don't have proper diet, they don't have proper exercise, they don't have proper sleep, and their life is full of stress. Because of this, whatever they have to achieve in that age, they have to be healthy, they have to concentrate on their studies and career. So all this is lost because of two things. One is symptoms of the disease as well as the side effects of the medication they are taking from allopathic treatment. They take these medicines years together, not 1 or 2 years. They have been taking this for lifetime, full of side effects. And one more problem is, every time they go to a doctor, every year or every 3 months, they have to increase the dose. Increasing the dose means they have a lot of side effects and they get resistant to these doses. Once they get resistant to these doses, that will not work. For example, they are taking 1 mg today. After 3 months, they have to take 2 mg. After 6 months, they have to take 4 mg. In that way, every time they go to the doctor, the dose is doubled, so that it has lot of complications and side effects. Even though most of the kids as well as their parents know that this is not good for their children, using antibiotics, using antihistamines, using steroids or immunosuppressants is not good for their health, but still they are forced to use it because they think that they don't have any other choice. And also it will impact the milestones of the kids. Because of the side effects of the drugs, your milestones will be delayed. And we see in young boys and girls lot of secondary sexual characters which has to appear, or either early or which are delayed. So secondary sexual characters in the boys include beard, broadening of shoulders, mustache. All these things, change in the tone of voice, all these things are delayed, or there will be problems in this. In the same way, in the girls, the secondary sexual characters like development of breast, reduced hip to waist ratio in girls is also hampered because of this disease as well as the treatment taken for this disease. So it will have impact on their entire life. But most of the people doesn't know that homeopathy can handle this disease very well without single side effects. In most of the cases, permanent cure is possible as well. So such is the importance of homeopathy in case of chronic asthma. And coming to the statistics of this disease, almost 5 to 10% of the population will have this disease. Although it is common mostly in the kids below 10 years of age, it is also seen in adults as well. And also compared to the boys, it is very less in girls. For boys, it is almost double than compared to the girls. But when they grow in adults, it is almost 1:1 ratio. But in childhood, it is 2:1 ratio. Boys are affected twice that of the girls for asthma.
Fidicus Homeopathy.